Okay, so we are going to be doing the RNAV 1.8 approach into Oxford Airport. This is not meant as an instructional video. This is simply the first or second time I've been up with the autopilot. I took my son Jesse, who's in the back seat, and we're coming in, if you look at this chart, we're coming in on the northwest diagonally to Wexno, which is the initial approach fix, Wexno. And then we'll step down to 2200, step down to 1580. My plane does not have WAS, so I have to step down manually. So enjoy the GFC500. I'm going to be doing a lengthy video on the GFC500 cockpit shortly. Thank you.
Okay, we're 12 miles from Wexno. 6 minutes.
Alright.
Really? 6 minutes from Wexno? And this place was definitely far away. Okay, on the Garmin Pilot you see traffic, and you can see where all the other airplanes are. You got your track up here, you got your north up here, and it's 4 minutes to Wexno, which means at Wexno, it's going to start turning us and lining us up with the runway.
Wind 1708, bearing 160-220, runway 18, clear away.
There's Oxford Airport, okay? All the way to the right there. Okay, so we also have the PS Engineering PM450B. It has two Bluetooth. So I have XM radio going into one Bluetooth, and I have my phone going into the second Bluetooth, which is pretty cool.
What happens if you try to like fight with autopilot?
It'll scream at you.
It will?
It'll tell you up here, trim down, trim down, trim up, trim up. It's very powerful.
Oh, they're actually motors?
Yep. Okay, listen, 1 minute, 37 seconds, this thing should turn in.
Does it tell you to slow, like, when to use throttle?
It will tell you, yes, if you get too slow, it will tell you to use throttle. Okay, look, turning in.
Oh, wow.
No hands. Okay? Just trim up. Now, I can take this down to... Now I'm going to have it fly us down to 2,200 feet. Okay, so now we're going down. Okay. Once we go to RCAB, I tell them we're at RCAB. Look, it's going down, right? No hands. All right, let's do a pre-landing check, carpet, fuel.
Does it have a gyro to level us?
It is, yeah, exactly has. That's exactly what it has.
Alright, cool.
Okay, so now RCAB is 5.5 miles away, 1.1 minute, 11 seconds. It will be down to 2,200 feet. And our next drop is 1580. Then our next drop is 1240. So you got to know those numbers. Now, if it was an ILS, Instrument Landing System, it would take you all the way down. I wouldn't have to step down at all. Now it's that beep means we're 200 feet above our next step. It's like a step. You step down. Okay, we're at 2,200 feet, and we're staying at 2,200 feet. Okay? Next step down, what did I tell you the next step down was? 1580.
And then 1420.
We go 1580. Okay. After we Tower 27 Mike Alpha is come up on our. Okay.
7 Mike Alpha, 12107, runway 18, clear to land.
27 Mike Alpha. Okay, now at our cab, we're going back down again. Still in the clouds. Going to Gaiken. Okay, so this is taking us down to 1580. Okay, you see the runway in front of us?
Yep.
We're in the clouds. We don't know if there's a runway there. We know that at 1240 we can start looking. Okay, I'm not touching anything yet. Okay, now we're going to go down to 1240.
Is it, oh, never mind.
Okay, we're going 1500, 1240. Still not, we have no flaps. We're looking for the runway now. We see that the runway should be in front of us.
Yeah.
1540. Okay, coming up at 1240, we got to stay here, see the runway. We got the runway. Disconnect the autopilot, land the plane. Good job, autopilot. We got below the clouds.
I think we know how to get below the clouds. I think it should be able to land in a foggy situation.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we got a little bit of right wind up here. See how we are, the wing is in the wind?
Yeah.
Because we have a right crosswind.
Are you gonna reach?
Oh, yeah. And we got our...
7 Mike Alpha, turn right exit, taxi Alpha to the T's.
And all the way back. That was another greaser.
Like, what type of word is that?
That's greasers, like when you, like, your tires basically just go grease the runway, no bounce, no nothing. It's like the most perfect landing. That was a great landing. Every landing today was a great landing.
That's like the takeoffs. You go from like touching the ground to like 40 feet in 1 second.
Yeah, because I put flaps on today and we had a headwind. Kind of just lifts you right up.